These are all the experimenters for phase 2.
I'm a lesbian.
We're going to do
Good. Alright, commencing experiment.
Where's Nanny?
a volcano.
There's other ones.
Where's Nanny?
Ah!
Nan!
There's...
Nan!
Hold on. We'll try this one. If it works, then we'll bring Nan out. Alright.
In goes the Mentos, and
Okay.
here we go. Volcano
check.
number...
Did you shake
Yay!
it up?
We got a volcano going. Woo!
that was pretty lame.
You have to shake up the Coke first.
You got to put some more in.
No?
Yeah,
I was
you
eating the half pack.
Can I drink it now?
Half a pack.
I put half a pack in.
Oh well.
Shake yours up.
See, the theory doesn't work, everyone. All these people that
supposed to
say
shake
about
up
these
the-
Coca-Cola
but what
bottles
happens
and
when you shake it? It
Mentos,
already goes up. I like that
it's
stuff.
supposed to work.
Not
So,
mine.
we've just now theoried that this is bullshit.
Alright,
It
next
does not
bottle.
work.
I'll do the non-shaked one.